Students, in this chapter we will discuss about the degrees. Here I am giving one example that Ram is a tall person. Here the word tall is describing about a person, that is Ram. So it is a adjective. Second sentence, this is a small ball. Here the word small is describing about the ball, its size. So it is adjective. Next, Shreya has 5 chocolates. Here the word 5 is describing about chocolates, how many chocolates are there. So these words tall, small, 5 are adjectives. And in this chapter we will discuss about the degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees. First one is positive, second one comparative, and third one is superlative degree. And we use degrees when we need to compare the things. So positive degree is used to describe, not to compare. Comparative degree is used to compare two things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. For example, Ram is a tall boy. Here we are describing about the boy and his name is Ram. So we are not comparing him with another. So it is positive degree. Second sentence, Shyam is taller than Ram. Here the word taller is comparing Shyam and Ram, two persons. So it is comparative degree. Next one, Divesh is tallest among all. Here the word tallest is describing about more than two persons. So it is the superlative. So in the previous examples, the word tall is positive, comparative is taller, and superlative is tallest word. So these are the 3 degrees of adjectives. Positive degree used to describe, not to compare. Comparative is used to compare two things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. As we know that adjective is a word that describes about a noun or pronoun. Now see how we make degrees from positive to comparative or superlative by adding er or est. Example, bright, brighter, brightest, cold, colder, coldest, strong, stronger, strongest. So most of the adjectives are formed by adding er or est. Most, not all. Next rule, by adding only r or st to comparative or superlative degree. For example, fine, finer, finest, wise, wiser, wisest, white, whiter, whitest. So these are the examples for making by adding r or er, st. But some adjectives are irregular adjectives. They do not follow these rules by adding r or er or est. They have all 3 degrees in different spellings. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least. So check what we have learned in this video. First, adjectives, as we know that words that describe a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. After that we discussed about degrees of adjectives, and we discussed about 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. So thank you, and do the homework also given in the app.